Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. And today we're gonna look at 4 side hustle websites where you can get paid daily. So I'm gonna jump into my screen and we're gonna look at each website one by one and talk about how you can get paid even by the end of the day. Let's go. So let's start out with QME, which is number 1. Let's jump into the screen. So QME has paid surveys to earn real cash. So what I like about this is it's not gift cards, but it's actual real cash, and you can cash out by the end of the day or at any point you want. As long as you have at least $1, you can cash that out. And jumping into the website, it talks about all of the people that have had good reviews. As of today, it's 8,292 reviews. And so they're up to 4-star reviews. This is pretty good for a survey site. I mean, we all know that survey sites are not going to pay you what a full-time salary would pay you. This is just something to earn extra money when you're on the subway going to work or when you're standing at the bus stop. It says earn anytime, anywhere. Make some money on your commute, get some extra cash in your downtime, or earn while you study. And then you would just have to download the app. So you can do this on your phone. You download the app. This is Apple or any Android phone, and then you can cash out, like I said, whenever you want, as long as you have at least $1. Yeah, you can cash out to PayPal and Venmo. And it says here, your opinion matters. There's a reason why survey providers pay for completed surveys. So these are just surveys with different products and different things like that for you to have tried, and then they ask you to fill out the survey and give your opinion. So we all want to give our opinions in our free time. So this is a good way to give your opinion and make some cash. And then it says earn and save when you shop with QME. How this works is you get matched with your online research survey. The best matches who you are, your profile that you put in, all the information. And then that's when they feed you the surveys, you take the surveys and you get the cash, and then you cash out. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is where you would sign up. They have a lot of really good reviews and they pay in cash. My second one, number 2, is freecash.com. And let's jump into the screen. I'm gonna show you how this one works. Freecash.com is another survey site, but you're gonna be doing surveys, games, and also testing apps. So you get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys. It says you can get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys. You can earn up to $529.76 per offer. So there has been 15,000 offers available right now. So the offers are gonna obviously pay more than the testing and doing the games and doing the surveys. So here it says Netflix, start a free trial for a month, and then you'll do that, and then you'll get paid, share your opinion. Sign up for TikTok, get $2. Most people already have a TikTok account, so this might not be something that you can do, or you can sign up with another email account. So it says here that it takes 17 minutes and 12 seconds to earn some money and then cash it out. And then the average money earned by a user yesterday was $38. So this is something also you could still do in little pockets of time that you have. You can share your opinion, do some surveys, and then earn money. So this is a quick way to earn $38, and then you're done, and then you can do it again the next day. If you want to earn free cash within minutes, here's how, and this is where you would sign up. And also I like this one because it says Trustpilot is giving you the number of reviews. They have 166,539 reviews. They're up to 4.5-star reviews. So this is really legitimate, and it gives you the steps of what you're gonna be doing after you sign up. So you're gonna choose an offer, you're gonna complete the offer, and then you'll get paid. And this is the same with the games. So this is the average price that you'll get paid with the games, the average price that you'll get paid when you complete an offer, and the average price when you do a survey. So some surveys could be more, but this dollar amount, $1 is the average amount for the 5 to 10 minute survey. So I mean, why not? It's a fast way and an easy way to earn a few extra dollars while you're just sitting down and commuting and scrolling on your phone. This website just does it by coins, but just so you know, 1,000 coins equals $1. So you can cash out in all of these different avenues, Apple gift card, Amazon, Spotify, Uber Eats, Netflix, all of these different things, but most people just want the cash. So you can also cash out with a Visa gift card, and that's just cash, right? Number 3 is SuperPayMe. Let's jump into the screen for this one. This is a survey site, and you earn money for taking paid surveys online. And the really cool thing about this is you get $1 just for joining today. So you get $1 for joining. They do let you know, it says our members have cashed out over $7,485,854.60. So what this site does is is it pairs you with other survey sites. So they're legitimate, but it's like a survey site middleman. So they put you with all the other survey sites that your profile fits. I like this one because they do pay out in cash. You can get PayPal, Venmo, and an Amazon gift card if you want to do the gift card route, but most people would rather just get cash. It says make extra money online by completing quick surveys, offers, trials, games, videos, and more. So this site also has you watch a video, you share your opinion on the video, you get paid. The games, like always, and the surveys and the trials. So some sites don't have the watching the videos and then getting paid, but this site does. So it says we work with top legitimate survey companies to bring you the best paid surveys, get paid the same day. 8-hour payment. All of these today are getting paid the same day. So when you take a survey, you want to cash out, you can cash out that same day. And then if you scroll down here, you can read how this survey company works, SuperPayMe. You can watch their video about how it works. And then they have some frequently asked questions down here. So like I said, you're not going to be replacing a full-time salary with taking surveys online. But if you have pockets of free time, like 20 minutes here, 10 minutes here, whatever, you can earn $10, $20, $30 and then just build on that, or just get paid out every day. So that's good for some little gas money or some coffee money or whatever, just to do something with your free time and then also have some cash to show for it. All right, number 4, this is my last one. This one is Earnably. Let's jump into the screen. It says earn free gift cards. So this one is just gift cards. So you can do the surveys and earn free gift cards. You're also able to get paid through PayPal. So they have complete your offer surveys and tasks, free PayPal, competitive payout rates, and 1,000+ instant reviews. So this company is very similar to the other 3 that I talked about earlier, so I won't get too much into it, but this is just another site where you can share your opinion, get surveys, build your profile. They can tell what surveys are good for you. You can also look through and then click on the surveys that are right for you and then take them and then get paid from gift cards or PayPal. And I know most of you guys want cash, so like I said, this one is really good too because it is PayPal and not just gift cards. But if you guys are looking for more of a side hustle, meaning where you can earn a little bit more income or where you can earn a lot more income, I do have videos about side hustles and starting a small business on the side of whatever your 9-to-5 might be, or letting that side hustle grow into a small business. So check out the links down below. I'll link some of my videos about side hustles down there. And I hope this video helped you out. I hope this gives you a little bit of quick cash in your pocket. This is not going to replace a full-time income. Don't forget to like this video if this gave you a little bit of value, and don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos just like this one coming up. And like I said, side hustle videos, I will link in the description. See you guys later.